Hey there, it's me, BA, and we've got an update. Maybe you've noticed the house videos have kind of petered out. Anyways, we put a stop on the house. We've got some issues going on. My mom became really sick, and I'm going to have to go out to Texas to partake in some chemo with her. And then the housing market kind of went south. So we just decided to put all that on hold and, do what's important, and that is be with your loved ones in a time of need. So, I do have other projects on the horizon, though. Stick around. You might be asking, BA, what have you been up to? Well, I will love to show you. I have started on my next project. I have made these art books. Art journals. What am I calling them? Well, art therapy books. I teach a lot of classes, and I have some cancer patients that come in and visit with me and learn from me. And it has become quite apparent that not only people who are not ill need an outlet and a therapy and a release and just an escape, but especially, I think, people going through chemo or maybe any kind of life-changing treatment. They just need a place to go where they don't talk about cancer and they don't talk about illness or sickness, and they just lose themselves. And I got to thinking, what can I provide that allows this escape? It doesn't require buying a lot of things. And so I'm going to start free classes on my YouTube channel. I'm waiting to get certified in Zen Tangle, but until that happens, we'll be doing Zen Doodle. You don't need anything. You just need a piece of paper and a pen. Or you can look into purchasing one of my art journals, my art therapy journals. I've gone and taken and hand painted things, and then that one's here. Let me put some of these down. Like this one is a little fairy, and then I have my little mantra: be inspired, get creative, have fun, and be well. But inside each of these is a little postcard telling about my class. You get some bookmarkers, you get some postcards to draw and send away. Then I have all these papers in here, and I specifically chose these binders so that you can click them open, take the paper out, and draw on them, do the art. This is going to be the chemo edition. So all of these, I have quotes, papers with quotes on them, and they're all from cancer survivors or people who have gone the path with cancer patients. They're just quotes that help them get through the darkest days, the no fun days. And I've left room for you to do others, but I'll show you a little clip of all the cool different papers in here. But there's just all different kinds of little papers. Some of them I watercolored, some of them are plain. I put little envelopes in here for you to hide little snippets of things you love. But again, you don't have to purchase the book to take the classes. They're free classes. You just come join me on YouTube. There's the link. I also put the link in the comments. This one is already purchased, my little seahorses, and then I put some dolphins, and they're all sparkly. I don't know if the camera's picking up any of that, maybe not. But art therapy books.